Good morning to all of you. Welcome back to Hospitality Engineering. Today we continue Energy Conservation and Energy Efficiency Module 12. Energy, Part 5. Moderate to long payback periods. Let us recap our last video. In previous video we learnt about Type 2 small to large savings at reasonable cost in energy conservative measures. In this video we are going to discuss about Type 3 moderate to long payback periods. Is major saving in heat recovery? Apply heat recovery techniques within existing hotels, but generally expect moderate to long payback. Because high cost of installing heat exchangers, any system consider for heat recovery must have long duty cycle. Full-time use and correct match of load to supply are crucial. Grease and lint in kitchen and laundry. Exhausts quickly reduce heat transfer efficiency. How to recover exhaust air heat in hotel kitchen exhaust. Recovery of exhaust air heat can be achieved by using a runaround system, an energy wheels, a regenerator and heat exchanger, a heat pipe. Moderate to long payback periods. Recovery of moisture from indoor swimming pools to heat the pool water or air. This will also reduce ventilation requirement. Reclamation of heat from the chiller condenser circuit. Recovery of heat from condensate or hot water before returning to the utility supplier, good payback potential. Recovery of boiler flue gas energy to heat domestic hot water. Let's discuss other techniques. Recovery of heat and water from refrigeration compressor cooling, which would otherwise be lost to drain. Recovery of flash steam from laundry condensate. Energy from leaking steam traps is also reclaimed. Heat pump. Ice storage at off-peak periods reduces electricity peak demand. We have come to end of this video and hope you have subscribed for channel. If not, like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more training modules. See you next topic on high costs and longer payback periods. Thanks for watching.